Is that Hoya? Hi, it's been a minute since I've visited Home Depot and did a tour of what they've got in stock and their current prices. So let's go. Let's go get a tour of what's in stock and let's see what they've got. It's been a while. A small section. I've been to this Home Depot before and they had, actually during the winter, and they had a massive section just for houseplants. So it's not too big, but everything looks fresh. So let's take a peek. They've got a massive MONSTERA deliciosa here. Pretty big. It's in, what is that? Maybe a 12-inch pot? Not sure. But it's for $70. It's a mature plant because some of the leaves here have fenestrations in them. All right, let's head over. Where should we begin? Where should we begin? Let's do a quick run through and let's begin. Let's see. Let's begin over here. We found our spot. So we're going to start up here. Tropicals, they've got the pothos. So they've got, this is a golden pothos. This is for $20 in a hanging pot, a hanging basket. More golden pothos on this side. Over here is my beloved marble queen pothos. Looking nice. It's nice and full, as in it's tight. The internodal spacing is pretty small, which is good. Nice and full. Neon pothos over here for $20 in a hanging basket as well. Then they've got the goldfish in a 6.5-inch basket for $16, so $15.98. And down below, let's see. Oh, these are pretty big. These Alocasia mythic. The name here is Alocasia lauterbachia. These are in like a wicker basket. These are for $36.98. Oh, look at these. These long leaves reminds me of the philodendron, like the Jose Bono type leaves. Very beautiful, very healthy looking plant. Seems like they might have gotten them in recently. And they've got some more here. They've got the Alocasia longiloba. These are for the same price, $36.98. They also come with either green or blue pots. We've got some ficus elastica. Are they calling it the ficus elastica Sophia? Interesting. What's so special about Sophia? Well, these leaves look a bit broader than your typical ficus leaves. Interesting. They're green, so they're not burgundy like. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can see a difference. They're a bit broader. They're not as, what's the word I'm looking for? Elongated. Interesting. These are for $15.98. So many different types of ficus come out. Then they've got the ficus Tineke for $15.98. Another one of these ficus Sophia. Yeah. More of like a regular green leaves. Small internodal spacing here. Ah. It looks more bushy, but I'm pretty sure it can get pretty big. And I'm sure it must be a really good grower since there's no variegation. Anyways, I digress. So here we have the spathiphyllum in these white pots here for $15.98, flowering. And then they've got the ficus burgundy with a random Tineke leaf inside. But these are for the same $15.98. Wow. You must really want a burgundy to pick this one over any one of these over here. And then there's the green ficus benjamina for the same price. And then over here they've got This is a palm, but it says here it's a Camedora elegans, Camedora elegans. Okay. I guess it's the same price as all the others. Let's see. Yep, 15.98. They've got the variegated Benjamina here, the lemon lime. They've got a philodendron Birkin for 15.98. Few here. They've got the Calathea Rhaphidophora for $26. Oh, they look good. They look better. The plants they don't look too bad. They look pretty good because I know this time of year they're spending a lot of time focusing on their outdoor plants, and the indoor plants were sort of meh, but it seems like they're getting back into their indoor plants. They've got the Calathea tricolor, the Stramanthi, sorry, tricolor. This one is also for 26. Pretty from afar. They've got the Stramanthi sanguina for the same price. Pretty. They've got the Calathea ornata here. Oh, the rattlesnake. I love this. But no, Calathea are not allowed in my collection for now. All right, let's go down below. They've got the Tradescantia, the purple one. Cute. They've got Calathea Rosopic. What's this? Rosa Picata? Or the medallion? Sorry, Rosopicta. Forgive me. This is for, I believe, 26. Oh, look at this one. The ornata here. The Beauty Star, it's called. Then they've got the philodendron hybrid, the Sun Red. They've got some more of these Calathea down here. Some more of the Birkin, the Benjaminas, and some more ficus down below. We've got some ferns here. And a beautiful marble queen pothos. Very nice. Great variegation on this. All right, across here, up above, they've got some more pothos in hanging baskets. Again for $19.98. And down below, they've got the Dracaenas or Dracaenas for $46.98. They've got some with white stripes. They've got, this one with the white stripes is called the Warneckii cane, green and white. And then they've got the inner variegation, the yellow stripe. Then they've got these, the lemon lime. It has a lemon lime tag on it. We've got some more ficus, some larger, and oh, these are huge. Like, look at the new growth on this MONSTERA here. That is huge. Wow, look at my hand next to that leaf. Massive. This is the rest of this leaf here. Whoa, that's huge. They've got some pretty big MONSTERA, some very mature ones. Lots of fenestrations in them. Look at this guy, this new leaf. Pretty. Okay. They've got some huge spathiphyllums over here. These are for $42.98. And then over here they've got ZZ plants for $17.98. I'm always taken back by the cost of ZZ plants. All right, and the orchid fans, orchid is on sale. Orchids are on sale, I should say, for $9.98. Many different colors. Pretty. Oh! Is that Hoya? Is that Hoya? Finally, they got some Hoya back. Finally. Okay, I just walked right past the Hoya. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's take a moment. Let's take a moment. What do we have here? So this looks just like the regular Australis. Looking pretty. Looking pretty. For how much? 11.98. If there's Hoya here, I'm stumbling with my words now. If there's Hoya here, I need to go to the other Home Depot because they will have Hoya as well, and they'll probably have more. Over here, what is this? Is this the Kentiana? Huh. This is one of the prettier Kentianas that I've seen. I've seen them around before and they looked a bit crusty. These look nice. These look nice. I like them. Oh, this one's a nice one. Ah, look at that. Look at the cute little leaves. But that's a really big pot. They always do this with the Kentiana. They put them in a huge pot. These are for 11.98. Not bad. It's like the non-variegated. Look at how much full this pot is. Oh my goodness. I know my mom really wanted a Kentiana. Is it a Kentiana? No. It could either be the Kentiana or what's the other one? There's another one that looks very similar to the Kentiana. That's sort of not as long. They both look very similar. This is a nice one. Very, very nice. Oh. Anyways, but again, there are never any labels on the Hoya. They're just like tropical, right? It says 11.98. That's a pretty good price. And we have another one in the back. They're not bad, not bad, especially the Australis. They look really good. And then they've got the peperomia. I know there are a lot of people on my channel who love peperomia. Let's admire the peperomia, shall we? Gorgeous. Look at the beautiful red undersides. Nice and full. So pretty. Let's put it back. Yeah, I will admire peperomia on someone else's shelf, not my own. She don't like me. All right, over here we've got the philodendron Brazil. These are, I guess most of everything here is 11.98. They've got this guy. Is this a fur plant? That's nice. If you like this plant, it's a nice full heavy pot. 11.98. I know there are a few people who are able to get this plant to grow nicely. And I don't think I'll be one of these people, so I'm not even going to try. But I can appreciate its delightful leaves. The variations of color, the deep pink, light green, dark green, stunning. All right, let's see. They've got some more peperomia here. This is the New Guinea, or just Guinea, the Guinea, peperomia Guinea. They've got some beautifully variegated pothos, the Marble Queen pothos. Remember when there was such a thing as the Snow Queen pothos that everyone was obsessed with? I haven't seen that one in such a long time. Next, they've got the Spider-Man. What's it called? It just says Spider Maria. Okay. Got some Diffenbachia here. Got some, that's the ponytail palm, not the other one I was looking at. These are for $18.98. They've got a money tree for $14.98. Yucca cane up here for $18.98. Wow, they're getting creative, putting a neon pothos on a pole. These are for $25. Sorry, not neon, golden pothos. They've got crotons here, and I'm no plant expert, and it's the end of the day. Begonia. They've got begonias in the back here. Some more croton. Oh, let's look at the leaves. The heart-shaped leaf. That's pretty cute. This is a type of fern. Is it not? It's just labeled as tropical. But these are all for $11.98. Super duper. Yeah, these Hoya surprised me. I wasn't expecting that. Then over here, they've got the heart-shaped philodendron. These, I think, are for either $5.98 or $9.98. Let's see. They're all green, so they'll probably be very good growers. Oh, I could see why they're that price, $5.98, because it's a pretty small pot, see? Yeah. And then they've got the nerve plants. I believe these are nerve. Some more peperomia. The Ginny. Crotons down here. Some different Bacchia. They've got ferns here. The natural air purifiers, crispy wave ferns, $8.98. How much do they purify the air? Like, how many ferns do I need in my room? I want to know. I want to know. All right, they've got the bromelaid in bloom for $18.98. They've got the aloe vera down below. When I was new to houseplants, I could not even keep an aloe vera alive. And I love Hoya. Isn't that bizarre? All right. They have the orchid mist for $9.98. Sorry, $7.98. I've been tempted to pick up one because I've had a few viewers tell me that this is really good to spray on Hoya since they can absorb nutrients from the leaves. Do you do this? Have you noticed a difference? Please let me know in the comments. I am curious. And they've got some more orchids here on this side. Ooh, they're even bigger. These are for $21.98. They've got some succulents, some cactus as well. The cactus here are for $12.98. They're pretty furry looking. They've got, if you had to draw a cactus, this is what you'd probably draw. The cuddly cactus for $22.98 in 5-inch pots. Then over here, they've got the succulents for $10.98. They've got a random African violet that seems to be part of this display here for $4.98. They've got the grafted cacti for $9.98. And some more succulents here for $4.98. Venus flytrap for $10.98. Thank you for watching today's video. I appreciate you spending some of your day with me. If you liked this video, you may like these other videos here, and you can subscribe by clicking right here. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.